Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how I maintain my microlinks at home. I started by sectioning my hair into 4 sections. At this point, I had probably had my microlinks in for close to 12 weeks. Following the initial install, I went in every 4 weeks for routine maintenance of my microlinks, which included tightening of my microlinks, shampoo, condition, and styling. I had already scheduled an appointment to have my microlinks removed, but my hair was starting to feel dry and I knew it needed to be shampooed and conditioned. I also was going out of town, so I needed to figure out something to do with my hair. I then went through each of the 4 sections, carefully detangling and twisting each section with a little bit of coconut oil as a pre-poo. I know people have thoughts about the use of coconut oil on your hair, but this is just what works for me. I definitely encourage you to do what works best for you and your hair. This was my first time having microlinks installed, and I'm not quite sure if I'd do it again. If you all would like a dedicated video of me detailing my experience with microlinks and what I feel like the pros and cons of them are, just leave that down in the comments below. This part was the most time consuming for me because I wanted to make sure that I was taking my time and being very careful when detangling. This was my hair after installing all the twists, and I was ready to shampoo. I used Olaplex products. I used their shampoo and conditioner. I used the Hair Perfector, which has reparative and strengthening properties. And then I used the Bond Smoother as a leave-in and styling cream. I then used the bonding oil to help seal and for added moisture and shine. This is my hair directly after shampooing and conditioning with no added products. My hair felt so healthy, clean, and lightweight. I didn't want to put any heat on my hair, so I ended up just putting my hair in some twist and styling it in a twist out. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, comments, or video suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments down below.